If you're needing a melting spray, a hair glue, your wipes, a toothbrush, your stocking cap, your gel, of course your braided wig, your blow dryer, a band. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do a bow for your hair installation. So this video is in two parts. I went off camera to weave my hair, and now I'm oiling my scalp to avoid itching when I install my wig. I'm wiping my forehead to remove excess oils. I'm applying gel, hair wax rather, on my hair, or you can apply any hair gel. Then I'll seal it with my melting spray. This will help you not to lose your front hair after installation. So I'm going to take my time, and I'm supposed to use blow dryer, but there was no light, so I'm using a paper to fan my hair. Now let's get into the video. I'm wearing the stocking cap that matches my skin color. Not really match, but when I'm done, I'm going to use my foundation to tint that. Let's get into the video. So first and foremost, this was kind of funny because it was my first time doing this bow cap thing, and it's giving Batman vibes. That's why I'm laughing. So I use my melting spray to spray down, like spray all over. That's just basically it. What you see me do in this video, and use my rat tail comb to melt this down and spread it also. So just watch me. I believe this is self-explanatory. Yes. Just take your time. One thing with all this is once you take your time in doing it, you achieve a better result. Especially as a beginner, it might take you a whole lot of time, but trust me, you get better results. At this time, I wanted to, cut out the ear side so my ear can fit in. I was being so careful here. Please don't cut your ear. I wasn't ready to cut my ear yet, so I had to take my time to do this. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, come on now, what are you waiting for? Join this family, all right, so you can see more of these DIYs that we show here. So bringing out my ear and ensuring that so what I had to do was to go in and ensure that every part of this was laid down. And yeah, I went off camera to cut it because guys, I couldn't cut it on camera. So don't mind all these liftings. What you need to do is go in with your spray or cut out the excesses depending on the hairline you want to achieve, right? Okay, so I'll go in with my foundation now. So I regretted doing this, using my beauty blender to do this. I was looking for my foundation brush, I couldn't find. So but I prefer you use your foundation brush than using this beauty blender. As you can see some spots and all that. It made the installation kind of messy, but nevertheless we still made do with what we had, because I had to shoot this video for you guys. See? So subscribe to this channel, join my family, join this family so you learn more DIYs. My name is Lovina Omega, just in case it's the first time I see my face, and I hope you do enjoy this video. Please like, share, comment down below. I'll be in the comment section to answer your questions, and this video is in two parts. I'll see you in the next one where I get installed the braided wig. Bye.